discount code JacobViral when you shop.
6th order, designed by Drew Jones.
Okay.
4 U15s. Run off 2 SFB 5Ks.
Okay.
It's a very simple build, very simple. I got a 45 amp hour proto cell lithium bank back here, built by Jeremy King. It's kind of covered up with the tile there, but mids and highs, I've got Bama 8s in the doors, DS18 tweets, running off of, well, the tweets are running off of Ryan 1000.4, and the Bamas are running off of SIA 3500.
That back there. Okay.
Yeah.
Got
well, I know back there are my SFB 5Ks for the subs. Yeah.
So the side of the doors.
Just box.
Okay.
Yeah,
Nice. And you built this?
Yeah, I did it all. Built it. Actually, me and my uncle, Rick Miller over here.
Okay. Did this actually get built in the vehicle?
Yeah. It was hard.
Oh yeah.
Took me about, I think it took us about 3 or 4 weeks to get it all done.
Yeah. I like how you said simple box. This is not simple. The way
the build is simple. It's not a lot to it. But yeah, the box is technical. Thankfully, Drew Jones's designs
did a good job.
Good, yeah.
Do you know you're tuning on both ends?
I can't repeat it right now. I'm not sure.
Don't worry about it. It's all good. What made you invert instead of regular mount the subs?
Cooling.
Cooling? Okay.
That's really the only reason.
Yeah. That's good. Any SPL tests?
154.8 before it was broken, before the wood roof, before it was sealed off. I imagine it may be 155. Awesome. I love it.
I like it, dude. Yeah, really good bandwidth too.
Yeah, I appreciate it. Just finished up this a couple weeks ago.
Yeah, you can really see it flexing around during the song. So. Nice to meet your name again?
Sam.
Sam. All right, Sam. I'm gonna go look under the hood in the back.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, wow. Big upgrade.
Yeah, man.
Nice.
Thank you.
face it, I don't mean. She riding a bullet car. She usually don't cruise along. So days I can't remember everything we said, but we said it all. You told me that you wish I was somebody you never met. But baby, something's telling me this ain't over yet.
Last time you seen this thing, it had 210.
Wow. Oh wow, big upgrade.
Yeah, man.
Nice.
Thank you.
That has a really good bandwidth response on it.
Appreciate
Yeah,
it.
nice work.